what? Taking my pictures. Clearly finna go home, y'all. I got 15% on my battery. And I went to go see Sinners last night. That shit was raw as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I give it a 10. You feel most people don't give it a 10. I give it a 10. Then they're supposed to be coming out with a part 2. I know that bitch gonna go up, so. Yeah, y'all. Currently finna go home. It's raining outside. I want to do this for the rest of the video. You feel me? Before I leave and shit. You feel me? So yeah. I'll ride 2 minutes away. Yeah. Finna go home. It's raining outside. You know, so I'm gonna get back with y'all probably when I get on the train or when I get up, because I gotta find my other battery to my motherfucking camera. So y'all stay tuned because I'm finna get up out of here, alright? I'm waiting on the ride so I can go home. My camera put it down. I don't know where the battery at. You see that? It's raining a little bit too. So you know. Let me show y'all. Lock up, pull her up. I got the bad bitch here. What? Taking my pictures. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get home. My camera finna die. I don't even know my other battery at, but hold on. I'm finna change. I think I got it on my bag.